Have you ever wondered if your little one is truly hearing and processing all the wonderful sounds around them? It is a natural question for parents, and understanding your baby's response to sound is an important part of their early development journey. To check a baby's sound response, you primarily observe their natural reactions to various noises in their environment. This is not about formal testing, but rather about noticing how they engage with the world through their hearing. Observing your baby's sound response is critical because it offers key insights into their hearing ability, which directly impacts their communication skills and overall brain development. Good hearing is foundational for language acquisition and helps build crucial pathways in a baby's developing brain. You can easily check your baby's sound response at home through simple observations. For sudden, loud noises like a clapping sound or a dropped object, watch for a startle reflex, which might include a jump, a blink, or a widening of the eyes. For softer sounds, such as your voice or a gentle rattle, notice if your baby turns their head towards the sound, changes their sucking pattern, or becomes still and attentive. Pay special attention to how they react to your voice or their own name, especially after they are about 4 to 6 months old, as they should begin to show recognition and a desire to connect. Remember that babies process sounds differently than adults, and consistent observation over time is key. Look for a pattern of responses, not just a single reaction. If your baby consistently shows no reaction to loud noises, does not turn towards voices, or seems unresponsive to sound generally, these are important cues. By gently and regularly observing your baby's reactions to different sounds, you gain valuable insight into their early development. These simple checks can offer peace of mind, or, if needed, prompt an early conversation with your pediatrician to ensure your baby receives any necessary support, building a strong foundation for their future learning and communication.